Welcome to Guni. Let's dive deep into how you can send SMS directly from email account. Go to Messaging from left menu. Then select Email to SMS. Click Whitelist email address. Enter the email that you will use for email to SMS. We support all major email providers such as Office 365, Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, and etc. Choose the sender ID from the following options: shared number, dedicated number, business name, and personal number. Click Add email address. The sender ID will be used as the sender when SMS will be sent out. Click on the Message Content Setting tab and select what you want to send in SMS from email content. Subject and body, only subject or only body. Then click Save. Click on Manage Email Address tab. Here you get a list of already configured email address and the sender ID. Let's see email to SMS in action. Go to your email account, click Compose. Enter receiver's mobile number at our domain sms.gunisms.com.au. Write the subject and body and send your email. Check receiver's mobile for the text that you're sent from your email. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to go to Guni Academy to check out more tutorials such as running a campaign, API integration, workflow, contacts upload, and so on. Visit Guni website for current offers and features.